Now, Joyride. Kumukolekta kayo ng 600 pesos annually sa lahat ng riders for the insurance na pinagmamalaki nila na 1 million ang coverage pero si rider ang nag-shoulder. One. Number two, yung tip ng customer supposed to be sa driver na lang ay may kaltas din sila na 20%, pati tip ka. Damn. Hindi makatarungan at hindi makatao ang ginagawa nila. Bakit sila move it at angkas wala namang ganyan? Pinuri si move it sa angkas dito. Bakit sa kanila, sa rider, lahat nila kinukuha, meaning Joyride? This should be addressed and stop ASAP. Please hide my name, of course. Okay. Okay, so Joyride, ano masasabi niyo po, sir?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. With regards to that po, Mr. Chair, we'll look into that. But there are reports that we have been receiving regarding that, but we'll look into that.
Well, then dapat refund. Then there's a violation. LTFRB, anong reaction niyo po? That's a clear violation.
Hindi po yan kasama sa terms of reference ng accreditation nila. So definitely may hearing po tayo next week. Pagpapaliwanagin ko po kayo bakit po nangyayari po ito. Asahan po ninyo yan na kayong unang-una ko pong tatawagin.
Siguro po, Joyride, kung ganun, illegal po yung pagcha-charge nyo sa kanila for the insurance. And pati yung tip ay kinakaltasan nyo. Ibalik nyo. I need a refund. They need to be refunded, these riders.
Mr. Chair, actually sa service industry, meron na tayong batas na hindi pwedeng bawasan yung tip. So doon pa lang po, I hope this extends also to other services, particularly in transportation.
Okay nga. So, Joyride, paki-refund. Okay.
We'll comply, Mr. Chair. And
So, make sure LTFRB they will comply.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Refund. Mabibilang naman niyo ng mga ano.
We have a master list kung ilan naman po yung naging pasahero nila in a certain day na sa database po nila. Kukunin lang po namin yun. Then from
Malalaman din kung magkano yung mga tip na kinaltasan.
yung tip ko siguro hindi namin
Mahirap na.
mahihirapan po kaming malaman doon, but we will do it randomly sa mga naging pasahero. Magtatawag po kami, sir, by random.
Siguro po, come up with a system na, okay, kung hindi na ma-monitor, at least merong makukuha base na lamang sa yung regular na pasahero na kukuha ng isang rider at yung regular na tip na kukuha nila sa bawat pasahero, gagawa lang kayo ng formula doon and ito yung amount na possible na pwedeng mai-refund. Okay, can you do that and talk to Joyride and some of the riders?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we will be having a hearing next Friday. We will discuss that with the major players in the TNC industry, sir.
Thank you, sir. Meron kayong opening statement, Madam